the Astronaut Starry Sky Projector, and inside this video, we're going to test it out to see if this is actually worth it. I kept seeing this guy all over social media, so I had to go ahead and get one for myself and test it out. And I have high hopes he's going to be one of the best Galaxy projectors that you can get. Inside of the box, of course, we have the Starry Sky Astronaut Projector himself. And would you look at that? His head pops off, but it's also magnetic, so you could rotate it around and get the perfect angle for your Galaxy projector. Now, we also have this moon base that he's going to stand on when we're using him as a projector, and that's what he looks like. Then, of course, the charging cord, you will need a USB-A brick to power this. And lastly, a remote control that we can use to control the stars in the galaxy for this astronaut. First impressions, this thing just looks cool. You could easily put this on a nightstand in your bedroom and nobody would really know it's a star projector unless they've seen it on social media. I love the various details on his suit, and the moon base is pretty cool. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and go into the basement, the darkest area of my house, and turn on this projector. Okay, we're plugged in, we're all ready to go. Let's go ahead and kill the lights and turn this on. And here are the results. The stars stay in one place, but the nebula moves around and changes colors throughout the entire presentation. Honestly, I think it looks pretty cool. Now, he does have three little controls on the back. Let's go ahead and go through them. The middle one here is going to be the on and off switch. If you hold it, it turns it off. To turn it back on, you short click it, and there it is. And that's going to reset all of the settings. So we have this left switch here that controls the color of the nebula. So we have red, green, blue, a mixture of red and green, a mixture of red and purple. And we can also change the duration of the stars. You'll notice that they're turning on and turning off. They're kind of on a fade. And if I click on this, it's going to allow those stars to last a whole lot longer. Now let's go ahead and go over the remote. We have a timer function here. If we click on this, that's going to change from 45 minutes to 90 minutes. If it's blue, you're going to get 45. Red's going to be 90 minutes runtime. Now we also have all these buttons to change up the nebula. So if I click on this, it will change all the different colors. And if I click on the B+ up here, that's going to change the brightness. That's the brightest that it gets. And we can also dim down the nebula. And we can also control the speed. We can make it go really slow by hitting the S, and basically it's stagnant, or we can make it go really fast by hitting the S+. That's about as fast as you're going to see it. Same thing for the stars, so I can turn up the star brightness or I can dim those stars. We can also change the speed at which they fade away. So if we want them to fade away really quickly, we hit the S+. If we want them to not fade away, we hit the S-. I'm honestly super impressed with this star projector. It's really tiny, but it also looks kind of cool, so you could put it on a nightstand. I love the variety that you get, so you can change the different colors of the nebula, or you could make the stars fade away faster or slower. There is quite a lot of versatility, which I think makes this star projector worth it. I do wish that the stars also moved around, but they don't. They're static lasers, but that doesn't take away the fact that this star projector is pretty cool. In conclusion, I would recommend this Astronaut Galaxy Star Projector. It creates a pretty cool looking nebula, and the stars look pretty good themselves. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that it helps. If you're into random Amazon finds, reviews, and comparisons, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys inside my next video.